ओम जी, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। चलिए आज हम यूनिट 7 है योगा एंड हेल्थ, उसको देख लेते हैं। नॉट गोइंग टू डीप बट हाँ, थोड़ा थोड़ा व्हाट यू हैव टू स्टडी इन दैट पर्टिकुलर यूनिट वो मैं आपको बता रही हूँ, ठीक है। तो देख लेते हैं आगे योगा एंड हेल्थ, ठीक है। सबसे पहले इसकी स्टार्टिंग होगी WHO। व्हाट इज WHO? वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। और इसका 7 अप्रैल 1948 डेट है, ठीक है, स्टैब्लिशमेंट का, संगठन होने का। और इसका जो डेफिनेशन, इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, हेल्थ इज अ स्टेट ऑफ कंप्लीट फिजिकल, मेंटल एंड सोशल वेलबींग बट नॉट merely the absence of disease or infirmity. But it is saying that if you are free from disease doesn't mean you are in a healthy state. You should have to be completely fit physically, mentally or socially. Okay, then we go for a holistic health: physical, mental, social, emotional, spiritual. These and comes under holistic health. So okay, I'm going to cover fastly. Okay, I'm not going to go deep, but yeah. So this video is very helpful for you to how you can go deep into this unit. Okay, for your exam. Then we have uh, according to Sushruta Samhita, it is a Ayurvedic text written by Maharishi Sushruta. ठीक है, so he talks about Sham dosha, Sam agni, Sam dhatu, Sam mal kriya. It is a shloka written in Ayurvedic text as Sam dosha, Sam agni, Sam dhatu, mal kriya. Prashan atma indri mana swastha iti vidhiyate. So what he is trying to say, when our dosa in a stable state, when our 13 agni in a stable state, when our all the seven dhatus are in a stable state, when the procedure of excreting out happening at the right time, okay, and when our soul, our senses and our mind in a happy state, that person is called a healthy person. Okay, then we have what is some dosha. Some dosha, like four three dosha: vata pitta kapha. They are 13 agni. Then we have, there are 7 ras, rat ras rakt mans medati majja sukr. And then we have 3 mal kriya, like wo excreting out process, that is sweating, mutra urine and purusisla, like feces. Then 3 gun. Patanjali, in Patanjali Yoga text, Patanjali Yoga Srut, Sattva Rajtam. These are the three gunas there. In Bhagavad Gita is Sattva Gun, Rajogun and Tamogun. But there is a difference between the qualities. They are same, but Bhagavad Gita explain it more briefly about Sattva Guna, Rajoguna, about Tamoguna. Even there is a sloka in Bhagavad Gita: Sattva Rajas Tama iti guna prakati sambhava nibantananti mahabaho dehi dehi avyam. तत्र सत्वम निर्मलत्वात् प्रकाशम अनामयम सुख संगीन बदनाति ज्ञान संगीन चानेगा. मतलब in a state of, when you state of a सात्विकता, your life will fill with happiness. तत्र ये it is written here ना, सुख संगीन बदनाति, you will fill with happiness, सुख होगा लाइफ में. Then सत्वगुण रजोगुण. Then पंच महाभूता आकाश वायु अग्नि जल पृथ्वी, and there is a mention of पंच तत्व in Shiv Samhita itself. Panch prana, pranapan, vyanudan saman. Baki, in then we have the concept of panch kosha in Taittiriya Upanishad, Brahmanand Valli. This is written wrong. Bhrigu Valli. It is a Brahmanand Valli. Annamay kosha, pranamay kosha, manomay kosha, vijnanmay kosha. Na. How our body is, regulated by all these 5 koshas, and the 5 koshas are dependent on each other. Then we go for Ayurveda, that 3 dosha is Vat Pitta Kapha, Sam Dhatu, Ras Rakt Mans Med Asti Majja Sukra. 3 mal, like Mood, puration, Swed. Mood is urine and Swed is sweating, and then one is, you know that very well. Then we have Prakriti, Dehe Prakriti and Manas Prakriti. These are the 2 main Prakriti. Dehe are 7 and Manas are, sorry by mistake, go in a vertical. So they is 7. Vata Prakriti, Pitta Prakriti, Kapha Prakriti, Vata Pitta, Pitta Kapha, Kapha Vata, and Sam Prakriti. Sam Prakriti mean is a state of state when you all 3 dosas in a state of, in a equilibrium state, in a stable state, that is called Sam Prakriti. Then we have Mansik Prakriti. These are 16. Okay, Charik state that there are 16 Mansik Prakriti. So in Sattvic there are 7, in Rasic there are 6, and in Tamasic there are 3. So you can learn make it easy for yourself. You can go for Tamasic. Learn these 3: Pasukai, Mastikai, and Vanaspatkai. And then 3 dosha, Vat Pitta Kapha. Then you will go for there are 18 types of diseases can happen if your Vat is increased, aggravated. 40 from Pitta, 20 from Kapha. And these all are the ritus: Shishir, Vasant, Grishma, Varsha, Sarad. You have to study in this, and when they aggravate, when they cool down, 3 dosha and their nature. Then we have Vat, Pitta, Kapha, types of Vat, types of, but there are 5 types of Vat, 5 types of Pitta, and 5 types of Kapha. Ends address. Madhur, Amla, Lavla, Katutik, Kashai. These all are the you have to sense address. Okay, these all things I have to cover in this unit. I just hope this video is very helpful for you. If you like this video, go comment and subscribe. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Shri Ram. Signing off.